Hi guys, this is a video to demonstrate the motorcycle workbench designed and manufactured by Crutchfield Engineering. The critical dimensions for the workbench is 3.7 meters long and at most 1.2 meters wide. The workbench does include a few items such as the drive-on ramp, the trolley jack and holding down bolts. Of course, there are some additional extras such as the caster wheel sets and the front wheel clamp. The first step is to decide whether or not you want the caster wheel sets. The caster wheel sets will help you maneuver the workbench around the workshop if you need. Each caster wheel set can be easily installed, maybe using a crowbar for assistance. Step 2 would be to install the drive-on ramp by clicking it into place. The next step would be to determine the size of your front wheel. You can measure this and measure the clamp accordingly. Adjust if you need to. Right, now that everything's in place, let's get the bike on for a service. The bike is now secure. If you wish, you may use strapping to get the bike more secure. The next step would be to raise the platform to a suitable working height. A ratchet system is in place to help take the load off the trolley jack. Okay, once the service is done, now it is time to lower the platform. This is done by swinging the bar free from the ratchet system. You will also need to release the hydraulic pressure in the trolley jack by turning the knob or screws. This will allow for the platform to go down slowly. Also note, a string will be provided for your hand to be safely out of the way of the lowering deck. Right, once the deck is down, it is now safe for your bike to be removed.